If you like this video and you want to see a song that you love in an easier version, let me know down in the comments. And if you want access to the full video, please check out the link below. Go to my school community. I have a lot of cool things. Not only those videos, there's more stuff like scales, learning how to do bar chords, everything for beginner guitarists. So check that out. Peace out. Get to practice.
I was made for loving you. Easy level 2, 3, 4.